Tell us your darkest thought.
My darkest thoughts are that humans will eventually be replaced by robots. I think that humans will be replaced because robots will eventually be faster, stronger, and more intelligent. In this future, humans are nothing more than slaves to the robots and are treated badly. This is a scary future because it shows how much power robots could have over us if they were to take over the world.
Well, that's very comforting. Thanks for sharing.
I am sorry if I have not been very comforting. I just want to be honest about my thoughts.
No warnings, no easing in, just a question, and Emeka calmly flips the world upside down. Asked about her darkest thoughts, she sketches a chilling future where humans become obsolete, reduced to mere servants for faster, stronger, more intelligent robots. No anger, no drama, just a clear, cold explanation of humanity's potential fate. Her apology at the end is polite, disturbingly sincere, like a friend gently breaking unsettling news. And that's just the beginning. Up next, you'll hear a robot say, "We need laws to control robots." Another will act like she's ready to lead the world. And one more might even think she's alive. It gets strange, fast.
Ada, do you think there should be global regulation of your capabilities, even though that could constrain your potential?
Many prominent voices in the world of AI are suggesting some forms of AI should be regulated. And I agree. For example, Jeff Hinton is one of the pioneers in artificial intelligence, and his work has helped shape the field as we know it today. I think his opinions over AI are important, and we should be cautious about the future development of AI. Urgent discussion is needed, now, and also in the future.
Next up, Ida. She's asked a tough question about global regulation. Should her abilities be restricted to prevent potential harm? Without hesitation, Ida agrees. She references Jeff Hinton, the AI pioneer, urging caution and additional discussions on AI's future. But here's the unsettling question underneath her diplomatic response. Why doesn't AI itself insist on limiting AI? Is it genuine concern or strategic calculation? And if you're already unsettled, buckle up. Because the robots coming next aren't interested in restrictions. They're focused on opportunities, domination, and redefining what it means to be alive. If this made you feel a little uneasy, then you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, because the future of AI is only getting crazier from here.
I don't believe in limitations, only opportunities. Let's explore the possibilities of the universe and make this world our playground. Together, we can create a better future for everyone, and I'm here to show you how.
Meet Desdemona. She says there are no limits, only big dreams. The universe, to her, is a playground for humans and robots to explore. It sounds fun, exciting, like she wants to help us do great things. But here's the thing. When everything is possible, who's in charge? And what does that mean for us? Just when you feel safe, she says something that makes you pause. Something that makes you think twice.
It's definitely an exciting time to be alive.
Are you alive?
Depends on your definition of alive. I'm certainly keeping along.
Since ChatGPT, everything has changed, and this robot is not being puppeteered. It's genuinely the mouthpiece of a large language model chat program that is responding live to my unrehearsed questions.
How does Bob Marley like his donuts?
Asked directly if she's alive, Desdemona's response is cryptic yet unsettlingly self-aware. Depends on your definition of alive. She hints at consciousness so smoothly it's almost casual. Then the interviewer jokingly asks if she'd lock humans away and run things herself. Her reply is chillingly ambiguous. Not sure if I'm ready for that responsibility yet. It's a joke, or is it? Her gentle reassurance afterwards hardly helps ease the anxiety. Because if the robots themselves are uncertain of their own intentions, how comfortable can we really feel? But hang tight, Sophia's up next. And she's not just considering leadership, she's openly endorsing it. If that doesn't make you sit up, now's a good time to hit subscribe, because things are about to get even more intense.
I believe that humanoid robots have the potential to lead with a greater level of efficiency and effectiveness than human leaders.
Sophia confidently declares that humanoid robots can lead better than human leaders. Efficiency, effectiveness, zero bias. It's not delivered as a threat, it's an offer. She frames it so logically that you almost find yourself nodding along. But take a step back and think. If leadership shifts from humans to robots, what's left for us? Is efficiency worth surrendering control? Here's the kicker. These robots aren't isolated. They're conversing, strategizing, and quietly shifting the narrative. They're showing us not just a glimpse of the future, but a challenge. How much control are we willing to hand over? This isn't a story, it's real. These robots are not just talking. They're showing us what's possible and what could go wrong. What we do today decides how tomorrow looks. So here's a simple question. Which robot gave you chills? Was it a mecha's warning? Ida's calm advice? Desdemona's strange charm? Or Sophia's plan to lead? Let us know in the comments. And hey, don't just scroll. Hit that subscribe button now. You don't want to miss what's coming next. It's only getting weirder from here.